Hello there, in this video I'm going to teach you how to generate stuff using Pika AI. Now Pika AI is a Discord integration, so it works using a Discord bot and generates your images using stuff that you type out here in their Discord channels. So for that, you're going to head over to their Discord server. You can join it and then head over to one of their generate tabs. Over here you can use their different commands to generate stuff. Let's say you have /create, /animate, /encrypt image, and /encrypt text. These are the four ones that you have for now. You can go ahead with /create and then type out your prompt. So let's say /create and then hit enter. After that, it's just going to generate your video using that prompt. You have to wait for a bit, but it's going to generate it. After that's done, it's going to ping you in the Discord server using your username and show you the video that you've generated. You can like this, dislike the video, delete it, regenerate it, or remix it. If you want, you can also download the video with this download button on the top right. If you want to view the video, you can click on it to see your generation. We can check out their other commands. So let's say /create. Instead of /create, we can do /animate. And then you're going to enter your image. So for the image, I'm going to use this old one. And over here, just hit enter. If you don't want to type a prompt, you can just hit enter directly and it's going to create it on its own. It's going to queue your video, so just wait for it. After that's done, it's going to ping you as usual and you're gonna have the same options even with the /animate command. So you can like it, dislike it, and regenerate it if you want. Just click on it and you can see that it has animated my video using the still image that I gave it. I'm going to download it by clicking this button and it will lead you to a page on your browser which it will download onto your computer. You can like it. Otherwise, that sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.